Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to show the previous version in the SharePoint for file, and also if we want to restore a file from the SharePoint folder, how can we do this? Normally if we go to, I have logged in to the Windows 10 computer as David Smith, and also I mapped the SharePoint folder to the to my computer as a folder, SharePoint folders. So in the SharePoint folder, we can see we have engineering folder, we have finance, we have HR, we have master group. So if I go to the SharePoint, the site we are using, to map the drive is the So this is the document hub. We have engineering subsite, we have finance, we have HR, we have information. And then if I go to my computer, I map the drive is the computer communication site documents. We have this the one. So if I want to map the drive, I just go to the, for example, for engineering subsite, I have already mapped. I go to documents. So I want to sync. So when I click sync, because I have already logged into the OneDrive, after I sync, it should create the folder on my computer. So if I connect this one, so click, go there. So you see engineering folder is created. If I go to the this engineering documents folder is created now in the mapped to the one folder on the computer. So if I wanted to create a folder in it, create 2000. So if we go back to the site, I think go to documents. So we see we just create a folder in it. So it's showing here now, and then there's a file I just created. It's showing up. So if we want to select, for example, I'm working on my computer, and there is also all the files and folders are synchronized from the Office 365 to the folder, on my computer. So if I wanted to change the file, so I click and then I save. If I want to check the previous version of the file, I can just go to the version history. So this has just 10 seconds ago I created one. If I want to, I can open from the old one from the version history. So this is the old one I can read it. If you have created modified the file multiple times, you can just select the old version. Select right click the file and then click the version history. It will show the different version you have saved, and then you can select the old one if you want to see what's the difference between the old one and the new one. So next one I want to show you how can we restore the files. Like if you delete the files before you want to restore it. Let's see, we delete the file. Delete. So when we delete the file, because it's a SharePoint site, it pop up the Windows says delete file will affect everyone because other people may affect the same file, later or before they just give you a notification. So I delete this file. If I want to restore, I just go to the recycle bin. So in the recycle bin, if you go to recycle bin, is on the SharePoint side. So you can just select this one. You can just restore. So let's go back. You see it's restored. If I delete again, delete. So I delete it now. I got it now. So for me, for example, if I delete a file and someone else wants to restore the file, how can he do this? So he can just go to the document engineering, go to the subsite. If he has access to it, then they go to the go to the click the on the top right, click the GL1 and then click site contents. In the site contents, there's a recycle bin. So just click the recycle bin. And then from the recycle bin, he can see the files that was deleted before by someone, let's say by other people. And he can just select the file. You see the file's name and the original location. You can restore. So using this method, the user can restore the file by himself if he got access to the site. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for your